My name is Arunesh Roy. I'm a systems architect at NXP. I lead a small team of engineers looking at algorithms and system requirements that will enable radars for the next generation of radars for autonomous driving. So I'd like to just go over the agenda first. So I'd like to just talk about automotive radar as it currently exists. I don't want to talk too much about the history of radar. For that, we have enough books around. But just about the basics of radar and how the technology is relevant for automobiles. And let's talk about the future of automotive radar. Where is it going? And since this is a vision conference, we'd like to talk about how does radar compare with vision. I know I'm speaking to a hostile audience here, so you guys are all looking for vision-related information. I'm talking about totally different technology, but I believe it's a complementary technology, and it requires a lot of work on understanding on both sides. But how they work together and how the architecture of the car looks like for autonomous driving is what we all need to understand. And this is going to be a very high-level talk here today, so let's just dive right in. Self-driving cars, we know it's the hot buzz right now. It's not a new idea, though, right? We've been talking about it for many years. It's just that today technology is coming closer to that reality of actually having a self-driving car where it can go anywhere, anytime, anyhow, no matter what the weather is.